For ages I've struggled getting that right height to cut that timber perfectly. Getting that, or riding the bevel online on point, has just been a struggle. So recently I got some tips off this guy at the Woodturning Society, this old fella, when I was there for classes, and he showed me this. Mark the center of the project that you're doing, raise the tool rest so it just comes underneath that center point, lock the spindle off, and then mark across with the pencil a straight line using the tool rest. Then grab your gouge and then move the tool rest up and down as you need to until that gouge scrapes right along that line perfectly, like you can see now. And as you're scraping it across, it should take that line out with the side wing of your gouge that you're using. All you do then is mark the tool rest post with a Nico, and you can't go wrong. Raise it up, check it that it's there, and you'll be right for the rest of your project. Next, I want to talk about getting that sweet spot with your faceplate. So I've struggled for a little while when I used to put the faceplate on how to get it perfectly center of what I'm doing. Hey guys, it's Wednesday the 18th, sort of midway hump week. I've bulked out a heap of these little bowls and stuff like that, closed form bowls. But I was just thinking then, I just wanted to share a quick little tip that I thought, oh, this is gold. So when you're doing your platters or anything like that, and you're mounting your 150mm face plates with this Stanley sort of thing, if you just close it up so it's meeting right to the center, lock it off, sort of lock it off to the middle there, tighten it up, put the sharp bit on the, you know what I mean, and then draw your circle all the way around. I've already done it. Get your faceplate, and it should fall exactly in the middle of that line. We'll see you at the end of the week. If you've enjoyed the video, quick as it is, leave us a like down below and a comment for next week or a question. So thanks very much. Talk to you soon. Everyone please stay safe, and yes, talk to you directly. Cheers. Bye.